Hi, my name is Kia and I'm 5 years old. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys about my new Lego setup again. I have to review this like 2 times to make this at the greatest form, so this turned out to be a hard work. Now let's get started. So, I'm going to review every single pieces that I'm going to show you guys. First thing first, with the vehicle, having an electronic bird. I could create this thing. I thought this was my sister doing this thing, so I thought this as a plane. I don't think it need this. Yeah, I don't think it need that. And it should need its tail at the back, here like this. This was the newest form. Well, with this thing, I'm going to upgrade at the back. I think I'm going to upgrade like a few other things. I think I have to go with like the flag. It needs to be put high into the sky. So this is the pieces I really wanted. Oh no. Yeah, finally got it out. So the reason why I want this thing is to help it represent what the ship belongs to. I'm going to shift many things like that, It is kind of like a big harbor, As you can see, this is a flag, and I'm going to put it into this area and put it somewhere on this big ship. Well, it needs to be a big one, so I think I'm going to go with this area. This represents, yeah, that's right. You already know. This ship has a flag. Represent is which country is from actually. I think I'm going to name this Epic Island Nation. With this country, it's allow people to do everything they want. Oh wait, I think I have an idea. That's right. Put this thing inside of this, making a stand. I think I'm going to make a stand for the boat. Yeah, that's right. That's the thing. Here, you can see, I make a stand, making sure that the flag wasn't flying out. This was the most everything. It was a boat. I mean a ship. This ship are capable of going to the depth of 2006. Capable of any depth, like can go anywhere. Even deep pressure. This thing can turn out to be a submarine, Special, huh? The next thing I'm going to show you guys on the list is, yeah, I can know right. I'm going to move the thing here. Really They actually do a really nice thing on this thing, Make a very pretty turn, Pretty good, I thought. What I thought was pretty. It turned out to having a very unique shape, very unique. I think very unique. This thing has to arrive at this area, going down. So that's just one. Another thing one is this ship. This ship was capable of going just to the depth of 4,000 meters down, okay? Just 4,000. Like, at that pressure, I think the ship going to break because it only have a one layer thin, very thin. So with this ship, it was very high, it was thick like this. But with this one, it was just like this. So that it only can go to that 4,000 meters. That is maximum. Well, what is area on the shop? The area where moving thing on the boat and then export and then import, many other things like that. This thing is the where people got the island. Also here, also got, but also this is the area where they put important things like mostly industrial, agriculture. I think this agriculture and this like good thing. This thing is fixing and also getting the people traveling from the mainland to this island, going down and then visit, getting the tour of this island, you know. So with the middle, it was the just mission area that could know everything that happened there and get signal to boat that far away, could know so that they could arrive, you know. With this thing, well, it was time for the vehicle. With the vehicle, I also had me myself is a Kawasaki Ninja J2. It was a very rare one. Well, I also have making upgrade that is, this was the brake, very crazy brake. Like when you go at a high speed like this, when it's turned down, it's making a stop. So you can literally cannot go in. Yeah, stop. That's right. With this invention, I think I'm going to rate this 9 out of 10. One thing for sure is dangerous because when you brake at the back, it's going to make you turn around and then you're going to fall. With another creation is a supercar. This one is a Nissan GTR R4034 special edition one. Well, I also upgraded this car with this door type of door. Open up instead of open side to side. Yeah. And also instead of steering wheel on the right, like many other countries, this one follow the English style, you know. Pretty interesting, huh? And with this, I don't know what this thing, but it does not make sense anything. With this is the pet. Big turtles, right? Isn't it? This guy already know a bird. Well, this is my hopper. So if you want to build like this, you need to take a lot of time. It took a lot of time to build like this. But I really like this guy. Good. And that's it for today. But hey, before you go, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.